Hello everyone, this is Jeff of TAOFLEDERMAUS. I've lost count how many people have asked me to shoot a bullet full of mercury, either a frozen slug or a bullet with mercury inside it, and it's a hazardous issue. You shoot this thing, that mercury is going to vaporize or it's going to spray, it's going to do something, but it's going to be a contamination issue. Can't do it. I can't imagine the people freaking out in their comments saying, call me all kinds of names and stuff. So rather than mercury, let's do one with water in it. Now, I've done a little bit of research and looking for, if someone has ever shot a fluid-filled, liquid-filled, water-filled, or any kind of fluid in a bullet. And I really haven't found anything. We just fill that cavity that I created with water, and then we plug it with a piece of lead shot. This is just some number 7 shot from a shotgun. Now the lead shot does several things. It creates a nice ballistic tip. It seals it, keeps the water from leaking out, and finally it acts like a piston. When it strikes something, the force of that impact is going to drive that piece of lead shot back, and of course the water is non-compressible, and it should cause the round to mushroom like crazy. So let's see what happens. Now we made sure we used the giant gummy bear. We found that this thing, if you haven't watched our other videos, that this thing is incredibly dense, much denser than ballistic gel, and it will stop a lot of small caliber rounds within an inch or two. So I cut it open, and you may think I'm destroying this gummy bear, but it's kind of interesting that if you make some nice neat cuts in it, it'll actually seal back together and heal up, leaving almost an invisible scar. So there's the first one that I shot in the, I guess, the arm of the gummy bear, and you can see it's really mushroomed out. The other one I shot in the nose, and we'll cut that one open, and this is where we shot it with that copper slug, that copper wire coil slug. So it's kind of pretty boogered up inside pretty well. That thing really did a lot of damage to it. But each of these bullets were only, inch to inch and a half deep, and you can see how mushroomed out they are. It just practically turned inside out. That's the back of the bullet, that's the front, and you can actually see the drill mark. But pretty interesting. I was hoping to see maybe some clouds of steam or something shoot out or anything, but still we had some kind of results, and I thought it was interesting. Never seen any liquid filled rounds before, and looked like they worked pretty well. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.
Michael, G, 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 you go. G, 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 G. Oh no, there's a hole right in it.